And this is Wrapping Blanket 101. He's a bit of a squirmer though, so he'll probably make his way out. I always say 2 is the lucky number for wrapping him up.
Yeah, we've been using 2
Yep, exactly. If the
blankets,
first
yeah.
one is kind of not so pretty, the second one will be a little bit better. Looks like he wants more food, doesn't he?
He's just hungry.
He's hungry boy. I'll probably pick him up during the test then and kind of, okay, honey. He sounds a little congested. Was he sneezing at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, honey. Let's get your electrodes back on. How about that? It's a little cold. You probably won't like it again. Yeah, I think he does look like Mom. But you never know. They always change. Tomorrow he could look more like Dad. Hi, honey. All right. Putting your electrodes back on. Oh, he was not happy over here. I'm sorry. All right. So let's get your left side back on. That's good. Okay, let's get your right side back on. And it looks opposite to us because we're facing the other direction. The left side will be in the blue and the right side will be in the red. And like I said before, it's going to be at 2 different pitches. Oh, I know. Hi, honey. I'll put this one on. I know. I know. He really does not like that part, does he? Okay, let's pick you up. Hi, sweetie. I know. All you want to do is eat, huh? How long was he breastfeeding for?
Hardly half an hour, 20
Half an
minutes.
hour?
20
Okay.
minutes.
Got it. But he was definitely kind of falling asleep to her.
Yeah.
He'd kind of forget that he was still hungry.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, one last electrode and then we'll start. You know, he's got really long eyelashes. I'm jealous. Why do you guys get all the eyelashes? I haven't seen Mom's. Yeah. Okay, he's all hooked up. Hopefully he'll settle into the click noises. Usually they fall asleep to it, but if he's super hungry, we might have to put him back to the breast.
Okay.
Mom's not surprised.
I'm very sleepy and I'm happy you're taking it.
Yeah, I bet you are. You can't always be feeding. You have to be tired at some point. No. Oh. He's not happy. I'm sorry. I know. You're not with Mom anymore. It's alright, sweetie. No. I'll wait a little bit, but I don't think he's going to want to do this much longer. See, it's okay. He's thinking, what is this? This is weird. It's a very soft, rapid clicking noise. Oftentimes I think they like listening to it because it's kind of calming to them.
No.
They usually tend to settle into it. So, he's definitely not crying anymore. That's
Yeah, he
good.
looks really
Yeah.
confused actually.
What is this? This is not music. Yeah, it's a boring sound, but it's nice, soft, and rapid. Like I said before, it's like a back of a pen clicking really fast. And so I barely got started. We're about 20 clicks in. I can go up to 600 if I need to. So it can take a little while. And he's a little bit more alert, which is fine, but it just might take a little longer. Are you going to try and eat my hand? And he did good last night with her?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, he's definitely looking around.